In hot days, an air conditioner makes your home or office cooler by drawing heat out of the house to the outdoors and replacing the air inside your home with cooler air. Let's take a quick look at how it works. In a split system, the compressor condenses and circulates the refrigerant through the outdoor unit, changing it from gas to liquid. The liquid is then forced through the evaporator coil in the inside unit inside the house. The indoor unit has a fan that circulates the inside air across the evaporator coil and fins. The evaporator's metal fins exchange the thermal energy with the air that goes through it, and as the heat is removed from the air is cooled and blown back into the house. In this process, the refrigerant inside the evaporator absorbs the heat from the air and turns it from liquid into gas. The gas from the evaporator goes to the outside unit. The compressor in the outside unit compresses the gas and sends it to the condenser in the outdoor unit again to remove the heat. After that, it turns the refrigerant gas back into liquid. By the time the fluid leaves the condenser again, it is a cool liquid, eventually returning to the evaporator to continue its cycle all over again. This process continues again and again until your home reaches the cooling temperature you want as programmed and sensed by your thermostat setting.